Certainly, today we are seeing, Maria, that the BJP is actually prepped up. In fact, today we are reporting from the Delhi BJP office, and let me show you around that. First, you can see the number of screens that they have put up here, all to witness the counting with all the Karyakartas here as well. And you can see the number of, the screens that have been put up for that. And certainly, you can see the cutouts of rather the big faces or the kingmakers if BJP wins today. So you can see the preparations have already been done at the BJP office, because today what we are getting to know that the Karyakartas, the big leaders will be coming here, and we continue to show you the visuals here, and of course how the intense campaigning happened. So all the big faces of that, be it PM Modi, be it Amit Shah, be it JP Nadda, all of that has been put out here, because remember here that this place has been buzzing since the time the campaign started. And how was the BJP campaign? What were the big issues? Well, all of it is summed up in the poster wall that they had made. You can look at, the poster wall that they had made, talking about the CAG report, the Sheesh Mahal Rao, the liquor policy scam regarding, the women. Certainly, that was also a big factor. So BJP has prepared this poster wall also that continues to be here at their office. So BJP says that they are very much confident that all of these issues will be highlighted in the minds of the voters when they had voted, and it will be reflected in the mandate also today. So certainly the corruption allegations were also a big, a defining factor, but remains to be seen whether or not will it be reflecting in the mandate. But BJP is very much confident this time for a comeback. Over to you.